Print a 2-inch visiting card, a 200-foot hoarding, and everything in between. At Orchid Digitals, we offer virtually every digital printing service that you can think of, and some that you may not have even imagined possible. For example, Orchid Digitals can personalize your workspace to an intense level. Need to display your logo aesthetically? Want to make your walls tell a story? Or perhaps you want your glass partitions to display your company colors. At Orchid, we have solutions like custom printed wallpapers, glass film prints, backlit poster panels, 3D acrylic logos, and even floor stickers to brand every square inch of your office. Your shop name board is the first thing that your visitors will see. Towards this end, we have at least 20 different acrylic LED glow signboard solutions for you to choose from. These include acrylic letterboards, channel letterboards, in-cut acrylic boards, crystal letterboards, and much more. Just as we personalize your office, so also can we customize your company vehicles. Send us your fleet of cars and we'll brand the same with your logos and corporate colors. And if you need to place your product images on your delivery vehicles, we've got you covered here as well. When it comes to stickers and labels, we have more than 15 different solutions for you to choose from. These include paper, plastic, and metallic foil labels for everyday use. We also have night reflective, glow-in-the-dark, and magnetic stickers for more novelty applications. And if you need high-end logo decals to brand your products, you can consider our Kiss Cut sticker or raised effect sticker options. Going on a business trip abroad? Need lightweight and portable solutions to display your products at outstation locations? Not to worry. We have an entire lineup of exhibition display solutions like roll-up standees, collapsible backdrops, promo tables, tents, and even printable canopies to make your business trip stress-free and easy. Our road direction boards and industrial safety signs prevent accidents and sometimes even save lives. We use specialized materials like prismatic reflective films to ensure that our road direction boards are legible at night or in low visibility conditions. Photoluminescent glow-in-the-dark prints are used for creating safety signs like emergency exit, fire exit, assembly point, danger, and other warning posters. Our high-speed digital presses make quick work of your everyday marketing and promotional print requirements. Brochures, leaflets, flyers, certificates, training manuals, visiting cards, letterheads, etc. are all par for the course. And needless to say, every print is of extreme high quality that will make your client's jaw drop. Need to cut an intricate design on paper or cloth? Or perhaps you need to engrave your logo on a block of wood? At Orchid Digitals, we have high-powered laser cutting machines to cut and etch your artwork on a variety of materials ranging from wood, paper, fabric, plastic, acrylic, etc. World-class products can only be created by world-class infrastructure. And so, we have deployed cutting-edge equipment at our 2 outlets in Pune to manufacture all our products in-house. And this infrastructure is geared to deliver one thing only: the highest quality for your end product. We have a team of technicians standing by to understand your need and guide you to the best possible solution. Our clients number among the very best in India. We cater to customers' print and signage requirements from sectors as diverse as hospitality, medicine, defense, construction, food, clothing, heavy engineering, and IT. And each of these clients have only the very best of things to say about us. Take a look at our reviews and testimonials on the internet, and you will see the trust we have gained. So what are you waiting for? Yes, you. Do you have a printing or signage project? Or perhaps you need to revamp your office interiors? Maybe you have a query about our services. Reach out to us by clicking on our website link in the description box, or simply post a comment and wait to hear from us. Find this video interesting? Hit the subscribe button below to catch up on all our other videos, and press the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest products and news from the printing and signage world.